Despite days before contract rising by 3 days from last June 2024, Maryland is still seeing homes going under contract at 100% of list price, and homes are selling for 15.71% more than last year this same time. It's Friday, June 27th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. The overall trend of new contracts is just ahead of the streak of slightly higher contract activity than last year, going on the 8th consecutive week. Here's what's happening with inventory activity in Maryland. Coming soon properties dropped to 496 this report. New listings are off by 40% at 2,030. Homes going under contract dipped 2.5% to 1,893 and are going under contract in 15 days. 1,521 properties sold at 100% list to sold ratio, selling in 13 days at a median $440,000. Rental properties available are at 2,750 units and priced at a median $2,600 per month. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, June 27th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay cool. I'll see you next week. Take care.